Hello everyone, so today we're going to do review on India. মানে একটা ভিডিও দেখবো যেটাতে হচ্ছে 36 বেস্ট প্লেস যেটা হচ্ছে ইন্ডিয়াতে ভিজিট করা মাস্ট। সো আমরা এরকম একটা ভিডিও দেখবো এবং আমরা রিয়াকশন দেবো এই 36 ভ্যালুয়েবল ইনক্রেডিবল প্লেস কী কী। সো আমরা একসাথে চলুন দেখি এবং আমরা রিয়াকশন দিই সো হাউ ইট লুকস লাইক দিস ভিডিও। সো এই ভিডিওটা হচ্ছে tri-photo but tri-photo channel. So let's play the video and watch this together, man. Okay.
Gushing rivers, steep mountains and coral beaches. India is home to some insane views.
Insane.
Check out the most beautiful spot in each Indian state and union territory. Dal Lake, Jammu and
Kashmir.
Snow-clad mountains form the perfect backdrop
Placement
as we
Jos.
take a peaceful boat ride on Srinagar's Dal Lake. Somoridi Lake, Ladakh. Less crowded than the Pangyong Lake, Somoridi is an azure blue paradise nestled 15,000 feet
লাদাখে
above
তোমরা
sea
3 Idiots শুট হয়েছিল। 3 Idiots.
Ski Monastery, Himachal Pradesh. When the slanting rays of sunlight hit Spiti Valley Ski Monastery, the scene is likely to leave you dumbstruck by its sheer beauty. Golden Temple, Punjab.
Good, man.
Amritsar's Golden Temple is impressive at all times, but once night falls, the temple gets reflected in the black waters of the pond around it and looks simply surreal. On Gurpurab, thousands of diyas are lit around it, making the view magical. Rose Garden, Chandigarh.
Rose Garden, man. We also have a rose garden
When
in
in full
Bangladesh.
bloom, the Rose Garden of Chandigarh is a floral paradise, with roses in rainbow hues and their perfume lingering in the air. Morni Hills, Haryana.
Hills. Wow.
From Panchkula, you get a stunning view of the Morni Hills with greenery all around. Jama Masjid, Delhi.
Beautiful, man.
Few places capture the soul of Delhi as well as the Jama Masjid, India's largest mosque.
Just look great, man.
Climb up a high rise around the Jama Masjid to view this majestic building set against the backdrop of Old Delhi. Tulip Garden, Uttarakhand.
Tulip Garden.
The world's largest tulip garden has opened in the hill town of Munsiari in
This place
Uttarakhand.
looks great.
Millions of tulips sway in the
Flower,
breeze
man.
in the backdrop of ice-covered peaks.
এই টুলিপ ফ্লাওয়ার তো মেবি
Can give Europe a run for its money.
উইন্ডোজের ওয়ালপেপার ছিল। উইন্ডোজ ওয়ালপেপার।
Nahargarh Fort, Rajasthan.
রাজস্থান।
Jaipur's Nahargarh Fort is the best place to watch the sun set over the gorgeous Pink City.
Beautiful city.
Taj Mahal, Uttar Pradesh.
Taj Mahal. Made with
No words
white
can
pearl,
do justice to the beauty of Taj Mahal.
white stone.
Agra's grand monuments of love will fill your heart
Cool.
with joy with its architecture and landscape. Mandar Parvat, Bihar. Mandar Parvat in Banka not only offers majestic views but is also significant in Indian mythology. It is home to a unique sculpture of Lord Vishnu. The Run of Kutch, Gujarat.
Gujarat.
The Run of Kutch is India's great marshland with views that seem out of a sci-fi movie. Unending white lands meet the blue sky at the horizon. Sunset Point. Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. A beautiful hillock near Chakri Tirath offers a mesmerizing view of the sea, the beach and the sunset. Life is peaceful for a few moments at this untouched spot. Rane Falls, Madhya Pradesh.
Rana Falls.
The series of waterfalls over a deep canyon have earned Rane Falls the title of Grand Canyon of India. The granite rocks of the canyon range from pinks to reds and greys in color. Lonar Lake, Maharashtra. The Lunar Lake in Buldana was created when a meteor crashed
Wow.
on Earth. That makes
Meteor,
this
what's
spot
the name?
eerie and
Meteor.
offbeat in equal parts. Chapora Fort, Goa. The spot made famous by the movie Dil Chahta Hai, Chapora Fort offers seascapes on one hand and grasslands on the other.
Wow. Great view from this place, maybe.
Paradise Beach, Karnataka.
Karnataka.
A nighttime visit to Gokarna's Paradise Beach surprises you with a glowing sea
Whoa,
due to
glowing
thousands
sea,
of
man.
light-producing phytoplankton.
What, man? What is this? Glowing sea.
Agati Island, Lakshadweep.
Glowing water.
Agati Island is home to one of the most exciting landing strips in India, located on a narrow stretch of land in the middle of the Indian Ocean. Alipi, Kerala. Alipi is the best place in Kerala to traverse across the backwaters. The lagoons, canals and palm trees make for great Instagram shots.
Instagram shot. Lol.
Neil Island,
Neil Island.
Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Ah. Nicobar Island.
The various interesting rock formations on the beaches of Neil Island add a dramatic character to the place. Pamban Bridge, Tamil Nadu. Taking a train ride across the iconic Pamban Bridge should definitely be on your bucket list. The bridge connects the temple town of Rameshwaram to mainland India.
Ah.
Auroville, Pondicherry.
What is this? Auroville, Pondicherry.
Auroville in
Whoa.
Pondicherry seems to have come straight off the pages of a fiction novel.
Fiction.
At the heart of this futuristic township lies a golden globe-like structure
This is
called the
so
Matrimony.
cool, man.
Golconda Fort, Telangana. Hyderabad's Golconda Fort used to be the capital of a medieval sultan.
Sultan.
Climb to the top of the fort for a mesmerizing view of the city. Amravati, Andhra Pradesh.
Amravati.
With a grand statue of Lord Buddha, Amravati is a prime hub for Buddhist pilgrims and a popular spot for tourists.
Cool.
Mukteshwar Temple, Odisha. The 10th century Shiva temple in Old Bhubaneswar is considered a gem of Odissi architecture. With a pretty lotus pond nearby, it also makes for a lovely photo background. Sandakphu, West Bengal.
Whoa. Mountains.
A trek to Sandakphu, the
Nice.
highest peak in West Bengal, will reward you with gorgeous views of Himalayan peaks like Makalu, Lhotse and even Mount Everest on a clear day. Patratu Valley, Jharkhand. If you are a person who enjoys the journey more than the destination, the winding roads and loopy bends of Patratu Valley will tug at your heartstrings. Chitrakoot Falls, Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh.
India's widest waterfalls, the Chitrakoot
This
Falls,
looks like
can be found
America's
in Jagdalpur.
Niagara or
The
Niagara.
deafening
water.
roar of the Niagara Falls of India
Uh-huh.
is best enjoyed in the
He also
mountains.
told it Niagara Falls.
Gurdongmar Lake, Sikkim.
This is similar to Niagara Falls. Oh,
The second highest lake in
Oh.
India, the Gurdongmar
Not
Lake,
Sikkim.
is
Sikkim is
situated in
beautiful,
North
man.
Sikkim.
just
The
beautiful.
Sapphire Lake freezes
Wow.
over completely in winter. Majuli River Island, Assam. Take a boat ride over the Brahmaputra River to reach the Majuli Island,
Subscribe now.
the paradise of
See
nature.
more
will
of
heal your
these
soul
beautiful
with its
reaction
beauty
videos.
and bounty.
And India is great, man.
Sela Pass,
Just
Arunachal Pradesh.
subscribe, man.
The high altitude Sela Pass
Support
in
this
Tawang
channel.
receives heavy snowfall and looks enchanting against the mighty mountains. Loktak Lake, Manipur.
Loktak Lake.
Moirang's Loktak Lake is famous for the fumdis that float over it. making it one of the most unique views in India.
Wow.
Durtlang Hills, Mizoram. The steep slopes of the Durtlang
We
Hills
have
provide a thrilling
brief
hiking
video on
experience
Mizoram,
and
so you can
enthralling
go and
views.
see that direction, man.
Zuku Valley, Nagaland.
নাগাল্যান্ডের উপরে আমাদের ভিডিও আছে, so just go and see this, man.
Located at the border of Nagaland and Manipur, the Zuku Valley represents the endless beauty of the northeast with its verdant hills and stunning
Wow.
sunsets. Nir Mahal, Tripura.
Wow.
India's largest lake palace.
Lake Palace.
The
Wow.
Nir Mahal can be found on the banks of Rudrasagar Lake in Milagarh.
Just look
Umgot
close.
River, Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
Probably the cleanest river in the country, Umgot River in Dauki has earned the nickname of the Optical Illusion River. That's because the water is so crystal clear that boats appear to be floating over air. If you enjoyed this video,
So that's it, and just look this, man. These places look just awesome. 36 best places from India. Wow. Looks cool, man, to watch. And if you want to travel to India, just go to India and travel, man. ট্যুর দিতে হলে ইন্ডিয়া যা ট্যুর দিয়ে আগে শেষ করে নাও ইন্ডিয়ার ভ্যারাইটিস, এরপরে তুমি অন্য কোনো জায়গায় ট্যুর দিবা, বুঝছো? কারণ ইন্ডিয়াতে এত জায়গা আছে ঘোরার, মানে শেষ করা যাবে না। প্রত্যেকটা স্টেটসে মানে উড়াধুরা জায়গা, মানে পুরো উড়াধুরা একটা ওয়েদার ইন্ডিয়ার। সো ইট ইজ অসাম টু সি অ্যান্ড এনজয়। সো great video, man, and just awesome videos. So subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family members, and thank you for watching. If you're watching until now, nobody watches until now. So subscribe and share this video to your kin and family members, parents, and thank you once again. Subscribe, hit that bell icon, and share this video. Thank you. Peace, man. Subscribe.